Hi everyone, we're at the Beaty Biodiversity Museum here today with Tanis, who's showing us how to do a DNA extraction lab.
This lab and more are part of FestEVOLVE 2014, which is happening at the museum until February 23rd. So Tanis, where do we get started?
Well, first of all, I need your help with this. So we're going to look a little bit closer at DNA today and extract DNA out of this piece of kiwi fruit. So I'll need your help doing the steps. The first step is to actually get the kiwi fruit out and smush it up a little bit.
Okay.
So who wants to do that?
I'll do it.
All right. Excellent.
All right.
You've done this before.
Oh, definitely. Oops. There we go.
Perfect.
Just squish it up?
Yeah. You want to massage it, so you want to do it with some force, but not too much force.
Okay. How's this technique?
That's perfect.
Yeah. Now that it's nice and squished, Tanis, what's the next step?
The next step is to add the salt solution. So this solution is actually just made out of regular table salt, and we add it to stabilize the DNA so that it comes out in nice long strands.
Cool. And just pour it all in?
You bet.
All right, here we go.
Just squish it a little bit more?
Yes, so we want to get that nice and mixed in there.
Okay, so we've squished the kiwi, we've added the salt. What comes next?
The next step is to get rid of all the large pieces of kiwi fruit. So we want to filter it through this piece of cheesecloth into a little container.
Okay.
So now that you've filtered out all the big pieces of kiwi, we're ready to add the soap solution. And so that's that one there.
Okay. Right.
And so this actually breaks up the cell membrane so you can get all the DNA out of the kiwi cells.
Cool.
So now that you've added the soap solution, we want to just mix it around a little bit so it's nice and mixed up. And the next step is to add a little bit of alcohol. We want it to form a layer on the surface of the juice. So you're actually going to pour the alcohol down the back of a spoon. So last but not least, we're going to put this on ice so we can get the reaction to go really, really well. And this will take a few minutes, but don't worry, you won't have to wait. So through the magic of technology, we're all ready to go. I'm going to take this off the ice so we can see the long strands of DNA that have formed. So for even more fun, we can actually scoop some of the strands of DNA out to take a closer look at them.
Okay, cool.
If you like, yeah.
Yeah.
So, So what we've just seen is thousands of strands of DNA coming out of the cells from the kiwi fruit. It's really cool to be able to see that with your bare eyes. So I really appreciate you guys doing all the work for me. Thanks so much. And if you want to try this yourself, you can come by the Beaty Museum every day during FestEVOLVE.
And that's running all of this week, and if you're interested in trying this for yourself, stop by at 12:30 p.m. for daily demonstrations.
Thank you again for having us, Tanis. We really enjoyed this demonstration.
Thanks, it's my pleasure.